slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? iReviewStuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at another pair of Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. This is a pair for a friend. But yeah, so let's take a look at these real quick. Not going to take too long in this video because you guys already know I covered these shoes already in the past. But we are going to take a good look at them regardless. So if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, and last but not least, subscribe. Also, if you haven't already done so, follow that Instagram if you have any questions. Link will be in the description. And if you don't mess with UA stuff or rep stuff, whatever, click out the video with that. It's that simple. But yeah, we're gonna be taking an early look at these. These don't drop until rumored to be to September, so that's when we're looking to expect these. More wider release, obviously, but if you're like me, you're part of the rep fam, you can get them early. So you guys do what you want to do. I don't condone any of this stuff, but it is what it is. You guys do what you want with your money. So let's take a look at these, man. They did come in about a week. They did come double boxed. I think these ones came bubble wrapped, or that might have been the other pair of shoes that I got the same day. So I don't know, but the box is in awesome condition nonetheless. So these are from my girl Bernice at ShoeOut. So there's all the information, the website, WhatsApp to contact them at, WeChat, and Instagram is at bernicegerge. If you use the code iReviewStuff, save yourself $20 on any order site-wide. So make sure you take advantage of that. If you guys are planning to shop, not that I condone it, but yeah, you guys do what you want with your money, like I do in mine, like I always say. So put the shoes to the side real quick, take a look at the box. It is just a regular Jordan 1 box, obviously with brown instead of black. There's a size tag, Air Jordan 1 OG, Travis Scott, special project. Suggested retail $175. I don't know if that's true, but I guess we'll see. It's supposed to say low, I believe. Air Jordan 1 OG low. I think my other box said low. I don't even know, it's not even in my room right now. So but yeah, who cares? It is what it is, just a size tag at the end of the day. So yeah, rest of the box, regular Nike box as far as you can see. Nothing crazy going on. Inside the box, there's what the top looks like. You got the paper, the Travis Scott paper, Nike Air, Travis face, Cactus Jack logo, Air Jordan logo, and pretty much it. That's all you're getting in the box. So again, amazing condition box. So for you guys that like boxes, this is the place to go. So well, that you guys that you like to keep your sneakers in boxes, the place to go for sure. So there's a shoe, super simple silhouette. It is just a Jordan 1 low with the swoosh turned backwards. You can see just the quality of the suede though, how nice it is. Just going back and forth on that, super nice quality suede. So you can see just the texture, dope. So yeah, simple shoe. You got the brown suede, brown color changing suede all over, mixed with the black nubuck that is this, and then some white, what is this called, man? Oh, tumble leather. Jeez, I was tripping on that, man. I couldn't even think of what it was called. So you got some white tumble leather on that swoosh to give it a little bit of contrast. It is in white. On the back you do have a little hint of red saying Air Jordan, embroidered of course. Medial side, you got the regular swoosh with Cactus Jack logo in red. Materials seem to be on point, man. Stitching and all that is in place. Bottom of the shoe is like that nice mocha color. So you got the tongue, Nike Air, then you got the Cactus Jack logo of course. Some swoosh trademarking on the back. Inside the shoe you got Nike Air, Scott, Travis, size sticker of course, and you do have the actual size tag itself. So these shoes do come with 4 pairs of laces total, I believe. No, 5 total, because it comes with the black. So it comes with a pair of black wax laces stock, like that's just the laces that are kind of meant to be worn with them. But then you also have 4 other pairs of laces on top of that. So you got like sail white, brown, pink, and red. One thing that I did here on if you go on Soul by JC's Instagram, I forgot, I think he said these only come with like 2 pairs of laces. So like when they're actually releasing in September, they will more than likely only come with 2 pairs, but you can never complain about extra laces. I mean, you would just be dumb too. So yeah, you can see just the color changing, the fact that the suede has super nice quality. So really dig the suede. Definitely a shoe you don't want to get wet, because you're going to be losing a lot of that suede quality through getting it soaked. So there's the other swoosh. On the back of this one, you got that little Travis face embroidered instead of the Jordan Wings logo. Medial side, front, toe box. I feel like toe box could be a little bit like lower, but I mean, the quality was so inconsistent with the Travis Scott ones, the highs, so I don't really think that's really a call out, because I feel like when these actually release, the quality is going to be just as inconsistent, just because the materials they're using are more or less the same as the highs. So yeah, same deal on the tongue as the other shoe. On the inside, this one you got the Wings logo on the front of the insole, and you got Cactus Shack, and then finally the Jumpman. You can see a size tag right there. Kind of hard to see it because it is tucked in. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. I'm not going to talk about them too much more. For me, super hype shoe. I already wore my pair. It was either once or twice. I think I wore it to a shift at work too, but my feet were, I'm not even going to cap, my feet were killing at the end of that shift, and I don't know why, because my high size 13 Travis Scott ones, they're fine. I wore them all day to work today. Actually, I'm recording this in them, and my feet are fine. But the lows, for some reason, even in size 13, man, like around this part where my pinky or little toe would be, killer. So I don't know, I'm gonna wear them still. Probably just gotta break them in, to be honest, since they are low. They're a little bit harder, I guess, to break in, but these are for a friend. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know your guys' thoughts on these shoes. Are you gonna try to cop when they drop? And if you're new to your channel, you know what to do. With all that being said, more heat on the way, guys. Thanks for your love, thanks for the support, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.